नमस्कार, मेरा नाम जसलीन खनूजा है। मैं आपके लिए ही यूएसए से आई हूँ। कैलिफोर्निया में मेरा चैनल है यो इंडिया टीवी। नमस्कार एंड प्रणाम। मैं सिर्फ ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर की आपने डिग्री ली, आप क्वालिफाइड हैं, आपने एचपी में काम भी किया है। सो विद ऑल दिस ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस एंड फ्रॉम द इंजीनियरिंग and scientific field that you belong to, what is at least 3 bullet points that you would like to tell us that you have experienced being on the path of spiritualism?
I was at IIM Ahmedabad yesterday for an event. I was invited to speak at the student event at IIM Ahmedabad, and at that event, they asked me about my journey, my engineering journey, and then, of course, my life of being a monk and how both correlate. And they asked me a very important question, which I experienced as a professional as well. And they were asking me about students and professionals going through a lot of performance pressure and stress. आप यहाँ जो बैठे हैं और इस माध्यम से जो भी सुनने वाला है, प्रेशर और स्ट्रेस बहुत ज़्यादा है आज दुनिया में. So उन्होंने मुझे पूछा, they asked, how do you deal with that? I said to them, you know what? It's not the work or it's not the study of 12 hours that's causing stress. Stress is coming from the pressure to prove. साबित करना है कि मैं काबिल हूँ, साबित करना है कि मैं वर्दी हूँ, साबित करना है कि मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, साबित करना है कि मैं भी कुछ करके दिखा सकता हूँ. काम प्रेशर नहीं देता है जी. स्ट्रेस तो होना ही है, कुछ भी कीजिए स्ट्रेस होना है. मैं मंक हूँ, ट्रैवल करता हूँ इतना, उसका भी स्ट्रेस है. हर एक चीज का कुछ तो स्ट्रेस आने ही वाला है. लेकिन पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेस हमको ग्रो करने में मदद करता है. उसको यू स्ट्रेस कहते हैं. और जो नेगेटिव स्ट्रेस है वो प्रूव करने की जो एक ऑब्सेशन है ना. और इसीलिए मैं सबको कहता हूं, दिखाना किसको है जी. दिखाते दिखाते अगर हम मर रहे हैं ना, तो क्या ही मतलब हो गया वो सब दिखा के. Rather than wanting to prove, let's improve. Continuously keep being on the journey of improvement. So as a professional at HP, I was also a part of that race and was a part of monkhood. Can I say that I'm out of the race? It'll be haughty to say that. हम कोई बहुत बड़े नहीं होते ये सब बात चीजें बोलने के लिए, लेकिन एक बात जरूर करूंगा कि 30 साल बाद इस जर्नी पे रह के कोशिश तो जरूर है कि इस रेस से बाहर रहूं. और अभी प्रूव करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इंप्रूव करने की जरूरत है. ये जो यू कैन हैव इट ऑल लिखा है, ये कोई नंबर्स के लिए या कोई प्रूव करने के लिए या किसी को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए या किसी को कोई सिद्ध करने के लिए नहीं लिखा. बस अपने अनुभव बताएं जिससे खुद को इंप्रूव कर रहा हूं. और हो सके अगर कोई पढ़ ले तो उनकी जर्नी में थोड़ी मदद हो जाए इंप्रूव होने में. तो बस यही इसका उद्देश्य है. I think one of the biggest myths that the world has ever promoted is balance. And I wanted to bust that myth. That you can really not have complete balance in life. It's impossible. When you want to achieve something, you're going to miss out on something. Everything that you choose to make a priority comes along with the collateral damage. And the issue with most all of us in the world today is, when we prioritize one thing and there is a collateral damage, we live in guilt that we are missing out on that part. And it's guilt that is jeopardizing the experience of happiness, peace, joy, connection. कुछ लोग अपनों के लिए सपनों से दूर रहते हैं और कुछ लोग सपनों के लिए अपनों से दूर रहते हैं. वो दोनों मिल पाना कुछ लोगों के लिए संभव होता है, 99% लोगों के लिए वो नहीं हो पाता. तो सपने पूरे करने जाएंगे तो वो कोलैटरल डैमेज है, अपने साथ नहीं होते. अपनों के साथ रहने जाते हैं तो कई बार सपनों को कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना पड़ता है. इसलिए मैं इस मंच से ये कहना चाहूंगा, and I'd like to say this, just one thing really, balance is not about paying attention to everything equally. Balancing is being aware that this is my priority at the moment, which automatically means some of the things will be at the back seat. Balance means to not live in guilt for those things being at the back seat. And balance means those things that are at the back seat should not remain at the back seat forever. Yes, if I'm wanting to achieve something, something will suffer, but if it's suffering forever, then that's a problem there. So you can have it all is meant to bring this awareness amongst people and bust these myths that we can have an imperfect life. Perfection is a myth, balance is a myth, and we are living with all these myths and misconstrued and distorted narratives in the society. So to be able to bring these narratives where people think, and I'm not even saying this is the way, but this is a way to think.
That's what my name says, Gaur Gopal Das. To serve, to try and help, to add value, to try and see if I can make a tiny little difference in the lives of people. Because at the end of the day, what really matters is how do we touch a life? Achievements, accolades, popularity, fame, numbers will all be forgotten.
Right.
What will be remembered at the end of the day is how we deeply touched a heart. Now, Sanskrit is an amazing language because in Sanskrit, strong words can seem very soft.
Okay.
Like if you want to call someone a donkey, in Sanskrit you would say Vaishakhanandan,
Not Gadha.
not Gadha. मतलब आप किसी को बोलिएगा हे वैशाखनंदन, उसको लगेगा कि आप उस पर
Compliment
कविता
दे
की रचना कर रहे हैं. How do you call an ice cream? You would say Dugdha Sharkara Yukta Hima Ghanagola Gattu. If you were to order a mango ice cream, you would say Amra Dugdha Sharkara Yukta Hima Ghanagola Gattu Anayaha. The ice cream would melt by the time you would order it. Such a huge term to use, ice cream. The philosophy behind the ice cream is enjoy your life before it melts. Right? And life will melt away, guys. Life will melt away. But then you have another contrasting the ice cream, you have a candle. And the philosophy behind the candle is give light to others before it melts. An ice cream melts and a candle melts. And ice cream is about enjoy your life and candle is about enlighten others' lives. Now I can't be a candle completely selfless.
Right.
And nor should I be an ice cream completely selfish.
Okay.
I don't want to be selfish. I don't want to be selfless. I want to be selfishly selfless, where I care for myself in a way that I can serve others. So the Gaur Gopal Das Ji in real is an ice cream who likes to care for himself so that one day he can try and be a candle to serve and bring light to others.